Hi guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do a comparison between the iPod 5 and the iPod 6. Does these iPods worth in 2018? As you guys know, the iPod 5 came in October 2012 and this the iPod 6 came in June 2015. So yep guys, this iPod has an Apple A5 chip, iPod 5, and this iPod has an Apple A8 chip. The 8 chip which was used in iPhone 6 and this chip was used in the iPhone 4S on the manufacturer. So yep, let's do a speed test between them, a camera test between them. So let's see which is greater. So yep, this runs iOS 9.3.1 iPod 5 because it's an old iPod, and this iPod runs I guess iOS 11.4.1, and I can also update this iPod to the latest iOS 12. Yep. So as you guys can see, this is the slide tone lock over here, and on this press home tone lock. So this is the first main difference between both of them. So let's open both of them. Now I'm into the iPods. So first of all, I'm gonna do a speed test between both of them. So first of all, the app I'm going to launch is the camera app. So 3, 2, 1. It's my mistake, 1 minute. Yep, the apps were not closed in this iPod. Let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3. I guess the touch on this iPod is a bit jammed. So first let me clean it. Sorry guys for the delay. Yep, now let's start once again. 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, the iPod 6 is much faster than the iPod 5. Let's open another app, which is the setting app. So guys, in 3, 2, 1. Man, what the hell, this iPod is not working well. Guys, give me a moment, let me clean it. It's a bit humidity over here, so this iPod was a bit wet. So let's start again. 3, 2, 1. Yep, as you guys can see, the iPod 6 is much faster than the iPod 5. Now let's open another app, that of photos. So guys, in 3, 2, 1. Yep guys, iPod 6 is the clear winner. It is much faster than the iPod 5. So let me show you their firmwares. First we go on to the general about. As you guys can see, this is the version 9.3.5 and this runs the iOS 11.4.1. Guys, I'm sorry the screen is a bit broken, not a bit broken but much broken. So yep, I was only having this iPod, so sorry for the delay. Now let's unlock and power off both of them, and let's see which boots are faster. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute guys, the iPod 6 is running something. Yep, wait, as you guys can see, no, it's done. 3, 2, 1. Yep guys, the Apple logo came first on the iPod 6. So let's see which boots are faster. Yep, as you guys know, the iPod 6 is the winner, clear. It has beaten the iPod 5 by a large margin, and the iPod 5 is still on the way to open. I mean, yep guys, as you guys know, the iPod came in 2012, so what would you expect? And it has an chip which runs in iPhone 4S. Man, this is taking a lot of time. RIP iPod 5. Rest in peace. Yep, now it's finally open. The touch is very bad because with the process of time it becomes slower and slower. Now let's do a camera test. Which camera is better in 2018? So first of all, I would take some cinematic shots. So the object I'm gonna use is this iPod 5 case. So let's see. This is the shot on the iPod 6 and the same shot I'm gonna take from my iPod 5. Yep guys, as you guys can see, the shot is much clearer on the iPod 6 because this iPod does selective focus by itself and we have to do the selective focus on iPod 5 manually. So guys, now let's move towards the gaming performance of both of these iPods. The game which I'm gonna open is from here is, I guess, 8-ball pool. Most of you guys would know this game. So guys, I have different games in both of the iPods I mean, but I'm gonna give you a quick look of both the games played on these iPods. So here I'm gonna launch on iPod 6 the 8-ball pool, and on the iPod I'm gonna launch Arrow. I don't know how to play this game. Yes, 1-on-1 special will be okay price. So yeah guys, it was a quick manual of this game. Let me show you how to play it. Yep, I'm giving this a demo. So fuck this game off. Now let's move to the final thing. The shape of these iPods is damn good. This iPod, the main difference between both of these iPods, as you guys can see, this is a notch like thing, I can say it, and this iPod doesn't have it. So yeah guys, this was my review on the iPod 5 and the iPod 6 in 2018. I suggest you guys to buy iPod 6 because it is worth, and the iPod 5 is just rest in peace. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and get a chance to win these iPods.